Welcome back.
Welcome back.
I'm Bliss.
I'm Luke.
I'm Trin. And we are watching
Game of Thrones.
Season 3, Episode 9. All right. Okay. Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to the channel.
And we post all of our uncut reactions on Patreon, so find us there. The link is in the description. Mm-hmm.
Wow, we got through that.
Oh, boy. Okay, so the three of them are just fine.
Ooh, Grey Worm, a badass.
Seems like.
Okay, they're kind of awesome, though.
New spinoff. Yeah, that was
Avengers.
Hardcore. That was
Assemble.
hardcore. Oh, good. Okay, let's go, girls. Ugh, if it's the preteen. I think they're all preteens.
Is it the young one? Please not. Oh,
Man.
Lord Edmure,
Isn't that the young one?
I think so, right?
No,
She's
I
someone
hope
else.
I'm not a disappointment to you.
Who is that?
she's someone else.
She's new. She's pretty.
You're a delight to me, my lady.
Mm-hmm.
It was all a
He's
test.
like, see?
He's like, told you, I got game. Who is that?
I'm coming with you. No.
No, you sweet
You
child.
and Osher and Shaggy Dog head for the last hearth. The Umbers are our bannermen. They'll protect you. I'm coming with you.
No.
I'm your brother. I have to protect you.
Aww.
So sweet.
We'll be fine, you and me. The Umbers are great warriors. Even I heard about them growing up. They'll teach you how to swing a sword. I can learn how to swing a sword. And Diana Harris?
You're kidding. Oh,
Aw, man.
That's not what I was expecting.
Aw, Jorah's a little sad.
The city is yours, my queen.
Aw, sorry, Jorah.
But if she had her way, I would be back in Volantis playing my harp, and you would be sitting over there, eating blackberries out of Rosalind Frey's hand.
Perhaps I've made a terrible mistake. Striking your king is an act of treason.
No, don't. Don't insult her.
Some words were said, and Lord Edmure has wrapped my daughter in a cloak. But
Right.
they are not yet man and wife. Her sword needs a sheath.
Oh, yuck.
I hate that.
The wedding needs a wedding.
Gross.
As my sire say.
Oh, gosh.
oh my goodness. Talk about pressure.
Weddings are gross. Weddings are
If
gross.
you think the time is right, Lord Walder, by all means, let us bed them.
This is so weird.
That is a very strange custom.
I suppose it does seem strange from a foreigner's perspective.
Seems normal to you.
It's tradition. Without the bedding ceremony, there's no real proof the Lord and Lady consummated their
Told you.
marriage.
Yep.
That there are other ways of providing proof. But if it's a boy, I know what we should name him.
Oh, do you?
Eddard.
It seems to me the father should have some say in his son's naming.
Eddard. Don't you want to teach little Ned Stark how to ride horses?
Cute.
Oh,
Oh shit.
yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Get out, get out, get out, get out.
The wolves. Oh my gosh.
Man, this was written so well.
Oh my. No, Arya's there.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going? Got salt pork for the feast. The feast is over. Doesn't sound like it's over. If I tell you it's over, it's over.
Oh no.
Turn this cart around and get the hell out of here. The pig's feet too. Are you soft in the head? Turn this cart around. I haven't shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
No! Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Aye, it's over.
Poor Arya, she just can't.
She
Yeah,
keeps
she-
watching her family die.
Get your wolf. Get your wolf.
It's too late. The king in the north arises. Lord Walter! Lord Walter, enough! Let it end! Please! You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter.
Take me for a hostage, but let Rob go. Rob, get up. Get up and walk out.
And why would I let you do that?
On my honor as a Talik, on my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Mother. Let's just send her a card.
Oh.
Oh my.
We brought this on ourselves, guys. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This bastard. That was crazy.
Oh my god.
That is not at all how I thought that was going to
They
go.
all die.
All of them. That was wild.
Who's the heir?
What?
Bran.
To what? To the
Bran
north?
now?
Bran is the heir.
Bran, but the north isn't. North is one of the kingdoms of King's Landing. So whoever's on the Iron Throne will have the north.
Correct.
I did not expect
I
it
did
to
not
be
think
like
it would
that.
be all of them.
Yeah.
I have no words.
I know. I don't even know what to say. That was wild.
Very gruesome.
Very.
That was way worse than Ned's death.
Frey is
As we
unhinged.
anticipated.
Can he please die like
He is a
ASAP?
scary one.
No, he's not even scary. He's just like
I don't
Joffrey
know.
is scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the annoying part. Is he's just like a little
He's a little.
sucksack.
He's a little.
And he just ruined everything.
Piss on.
Yeah, like he's not even like.
He's not a real threat to the story at all. He's just like
Obnoxious.
ruined it for everyone.
But then he just happened to kill everybody.
Man.
Well, that was super
I am
depressing.
sweating.
Yeah, my
profusely.
heart was racing for like the last 10 whole minutes of that.
I will say we're getting good at this show. Like we knew it was coming. We knew it was gonna be really
That's true.
bad.
Yeah, that's
We've
true.
I
cracked
had a
it.
feeling as at least one of them.
I think
But
we
man,
are winning
all of
the Game of
them?
Thrones.
We are not winning
Yeah, all
Game
of
of
them.
Thrones. We are not. Okay.
Wowza. All right.
I need to
well,
move on. I don't want to talk
What
about
could
it.
there possibly be?
I don't
Oh,
want to
there's
talk
gonna be
about
more.
it.
How's
There's
it
definitely gonna be more.
I don't want to talk about
How
it.
does it feel?
I feel
Feels
a little
awful.
confused. I wonder what this is going to do once people find out that the king in the north is
The war's over.
Stannis is still going to make a play.
No.
I think Jon
He
Snow
was not the threat.
is gonna.
Rob
do a
was
lot.
the threat.
To the Lannisters, yeah.
So like the only possible outcome for the North to continue to be a threat would be Jon somehow linking up with them agreeing for him to be their leader.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna happen, or something's gonna happen with him to like get revenge.
Jon?
Yeah, because he hasn't really had that tipping point of like losing
True.
someone that you really love. You know, because they grew up together.
And then, yeah, that'll be an interesting moment.
Man.
Like, I might not have been a real son. I might be a bastard, but I'm still a Stark. Like,
Yeah.
a moment like that.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, remember what Ned said when they left for the last time?
Mm-mm.
He said, "You're a Stark."
Yeah, true.
Right?
When they parted at the road.
At the road. At the very beginning.
He said you have my blood.
Yeah.
You don't have my name, but you have my blood.
Man.
How do you feel, Trin?
I'm just disturbed. I feel disturbed.
By
Very
everything?
uneasy. This is definitely going to change a lot of things. I wonder what the Lannisters are going to do now.
Yeah.
I
that they've heard
have
once they
no
hear about
idea what's
this.
going to happen.
I mean, they're bawling.
There's going to be some
Yeah.
other really crazy thing, though. I just know it.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, so the guy who stabbed Rob.
Right.
right.
Bolton.
That's Bolton. So he's in the pocket of the Lannisters.
No, he was hand in hand with Rob this whole time.
Oh, yeah.
But
Wait.
we kind of knew that he was trying to make a play for the Lannisters because he's the one that told the guy to deliver Jamie.
Yes.
Right.
So we knew that he's just trying to get in wherever he can.
Correct. And
Okay.
their house is also in the north.
The Bolton's house is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
They're just
well, that'll be
Stone
juicy.
cold traitors.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah,
Man.
exactly.
All right. Feel free to give this video a thumbs down.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. Actually, let's just flip-flop.
I'm disturbed
So
and
the more
perturbed.
thumbs down we can get. Actually, I don't think that helps the algorithm.
Yeah.
So don't do
We'll
that.
help our channel, but we'll feel it. We feel the rage.
We will
This is
understand.
how we feel.
We understand. There's the thumbnail. Everyone,
Crazy.
the thumbnail for the episode.
Yeah.
All right.
Alrighty, let's move on, please. I don't want to think about this anymore.
Like, subscribe, meet us on Patreon. Don't attend any weddings
Nope.
for the foreseeable future. They're dangerous. They're quiet. No one likes them. See you
Nope.
next time.
Bye.
Bye. Aw.
The saddest kiss. Aw.
Oh, that was awful.